What's going on, everyone? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLC 43. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with the mild hybrid technology with 416 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. So really cool interior in here. These newer Mercedes, especially the AMG models, have really nice interiors, and I like the new steering wheel in these a lot. Looks really cool. The build quality in the interior is really nice. And this vehicle can also achieve a 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Forgot to mention that. So yeah, you have this nice trim, leather dash. You also have nice AC vent placements and awesome metal shift paddles. You also have a leather wrap steering wheel with a flat bottom. It says AMG over here, and you also have the driving selectors on here, which I really like. AMG Dynamics. I'm gonna put it in Pro. That's pretty cool, actually. So here are the seats. You have AMG performance seats, says AMG there, and they're pretty well bolstered. You also have Alcantara on the seats too. You have a panoramic sunroof. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a backup camera. No 360 view on this one. You can close this if you don't want to see your phone and the cup holders, and you have a wireless charging tray as I put my phone in there. And here's the center console. But yeah, this interior is really, really nice. It looks awesome. But let's walk around this AMG GLC 43 and see what it looks like. This one has a silver exterior with pretty good looking wheels. It says turbo electrified on the sides. Makes sense that it's a hybrid, you know, because, or like has like a hybrid, you know, mild powertrain to achieve 416 horsepower with the turbo 4-cylinder 2-liter. Here are the rear seats. You have Pirelli tires on this car. AMG performance calipers. This also has dual quad outlet exhaust. Looks pretty good overall. GLC 43 AMG badge on the back. Here's the trunk space. You also have a little cover for your items. Let's get this car on the road and see how it drives. Yeah, my favorite part about these newer Mercedes is the steering wheel for sure. It looks awesome. Definitely gives this car a really cool vibe in the interior. Overall, as I mentioned, the whole interior, like all the materials feel great. Like this feels like a very well-made interior. It doesn't look like there's any cheaping out, so that's impressive. Mercedes definitely knows how to make luxurious looking interiors. They always have. Car's pretty quick too, as I expected. So yeah, good acceleration. Exhaust sounds alright. I mean, it is a 4-cylinder and a lot of this noise is just synthesized and pumped into the cabin, so it's not really real. But overall, for a 4-cylinder, it sounds alright. Even in the Sport Plus, the ride feels comfortable. Visibility is pretty good. I'm able to see out of these rear view or rear windows pretty well. If you need to put your foot down and get ahead of traffic, this car will definitely give you enough power for that. This seems like a great car to daily drive. Has ample power, looks good, awesome interior, and steering feels great too. If you're a Mercedes person, you know, you would definitely like this car. I do like the satisfying click when you use the turn signal in this car. Considering how thin the stocks are, you know, I would assume that it would feel flimsy, but it doesn't feel flimsy at all, which is good. I do like those crackles, pops from the upshifts. Yeah, man, steering feels great. It's like perfectly calibrated in this car. Like, it's just so responsive, if you can see that. And it's really quiet in this car too. I really like the lack of cabin noise. I'm impressed with this vehicle. I really like its build quality, and I really like everything about it so far. And you know, I'm a BMW guy. I'm not like a huge Mercedes fan. So, but as I mentioned, I really like these newer Mercedes-AMGs. Mercedes has done a great job with improving the interior in the new generation models, because they look quite outdated before this current design scheme that they've been putting in the interiors. So I really like that for sure. Nice and peaceful drive in this AMG GLC 43 today on this beautiful day. I'm gonna put it in like the more normal setting now. Let's just put it in regular sport, because in Sport Plus the revs do hang a little bit higher because it expects you to accelerate into it. So typical of most Sport Plus model modes in cars. So for most daily driving, you can keep it in regular sport mode, or make like your own individual mode, or comfort, or something like that, so you won't have to be expected to drive aggressively. But overall, that concludes today's video on this 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLC 43. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice performance SUVs like this one.